Okay, I just found a cicada that had just come out of the shell. These things live in the ground for 7 years, and this thing is just now coming out. The wings are coming out, and I've never seen this before. This is a little baby. It's popped out of its shell, and I found it on an accident when I was out here on the phone talking. And it's an absolutely incredible sight. This thing is really, really awesome. I'm not going to touch it because I don't know what it's going to do to it. There he goes. He's moved a little bit. Brand new little baby cicada, just coming out of its shell. Already still attached, not even released from it yet.